What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is NordTrades, and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I bring you all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, the earnings calendar, and everything in between. Before we go ahead and get started with this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below what other stocks you're looking at for this week. Maybe we have the same watch list, maybe we don't. Maybe you have something that I like and I might add to my watch list for the following week, and I'll give you a little shout out. And let me know what you guys want to see on this channel other than what we've been posting. We try to bring the best of the best. Like the easiest things that you can do is go on YouTube and search a quick question. And we want to have all the answers to all your questions, and that's what we've been producing. We have educational videos that we upload almost every single day now on the Stock Hours channel. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying. If you have, hit that like button. It shows that you guys are supporting the channel and you like what we're doing. So let's start with earnings here. Monday, not much going on. I don't really see anything that brings any excitement to my life other than, not even other than, there are two things that I've seen. Monday.com I actually do use, so that's hilarious. And then Rumble is just a big streaming platform that a lot of these streamers are using nowadays. Tuesday, and by the way, we've gotten rid of, or we've already had the earnings for a lot of the stocks that could possibly move the market. Obviously, the tech stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all that good stuff has really reported. So none of these stocks are actually important, especially to the market. Home Depot is definitely right there on Tuesday. That's important because it brings or shines some light on the housing market, what's going on there. So it's definitely a good source of some data that maybe some investors are looking for, and Home Depot is definitely a stock that can bring you that data. So Tuesday, just Home Depot for me. Wednesday, not much. I've seen Cisco move. I've seen UBS move. But other than that, nothing there. Thursday, you have Walmart and Alibaba. I've seen both of those move like penny stocks before. But other than that, still really nothing there. And then Friday, absolutely nothing there for sure. But yeah, that's the earnings. If you guys want to screenshot or maybe go to my Instagram, Trade Like Nor. Please don't get scammed. I don't have a WhatsApp. I don't comment back. Contact me at a phone number in the YouTube section. And I only have 3 Instagrams: NordTrades, Trade Like Nor, and Stock Hours. Make sure NordTrades is following it. If NordTrades doesn't follow it, don't even bother asking me if it's a real account. Those are the only 3 accounts that I have. So we're going to keep this watch list fairly simple, short and sweet. Best possible watch list we can possibly make. The first thing I'm looking at is Tesla. Teslito. So on the 1 year, you guys can see we have this uptrend. We broke through. Now we're kind of rejecting here. Now what we need to focus on is, yes, we are breaking through that trend, but we've only had 2 points, right? I like 3 points. This broke right through. There was no point of a bounce there. So the uptrend is valid. Don't get me wrong. It's just not the best uptrend. And it is on a bigger time frame, so it's very much respectable, but it's okay. The good thing about my play is it's above the trend line. Now, what am I looking at Tesla? You guys can see right here at this 205 level, I have a key level there. It cannot get above. And yes, right now it's struggling at this trend line. A lot of you will look to play the rejection here. I am a fan of that as long as it shows divergence from the market and the market sentiment is in your favor. But for now, I'm not looking at that. We'll see how things come about. We are far from that low it just made recently. So for right now, I'm looking at momentum into 205, and then from there, we can see this going. So that's Tesla for me. The next thing that I'm looking at is Nvidia. So what am I looking at on Nvidia? So if I go on the 4-hour, you guys can see pretty much everything had the uptrend, but let's go on the 4-hour. So what am I looking at here? As you guys can see, we keep wicking at this certain spot here right before 110. It's right around that 109 area. So if I put this right here, add a drawing, let's say I put it right here. You can see we keep rejecting at that 109. Obviously, psychological level is 110, and then I actually have a level at 112. So if we break 109, I will be looking for a breakout to 110, then 112.50. But where we're at right now, when we do get that break, it better be ahead of the market. If it's not ahead of the market, I won't be taking this trade. If this is just grinding up with the market, market's ripping, for example, I'll pass on that trade. This has to show me clear signs that today is the day that this wants to break out. If not, I won't be bothering. You shouldn't be bothering, and I'll wait for another opportunity on that. Even if it breaks, whatever. Next thing I'm looking at, SMCI. I haven't been liking this lately. I used to love this. I've been going in a lot lighter just to catch the bigger moves, and I'm not getting the bigger moves. I'm just getting small breaks, and I'll be up a little bit, but I'm going so small that how I positioned myself was for a big move, and I'm not getting them on SMCI. I am missing these types of moves over here. But what am I looking at on this? The recovery on SPY on Friday, for example. I know this, I always talk about this, how this doesn't move with the market, but at least when the market recovers, you should get a decent recovery from it, especially on the NASDAQ. You haven't really got much from it. Look, it tried 490 to 510 and then closed at 508. That's not a lot compared to what the market did, and I don't think that was strong enough of a close for me to think this has upside potential and for me to look at anything to the upside. Let me actually close these alerts because I don't need them. But I'm going to look for a bear flag here down to that 480, 477 level. If you put this on the 1 year, you can see we're just struggling. And we have gaps, multiple gaps here on the way up. Personally, I don't think it closed strong enough compared to the market. So what I will be looking at is an opportunity for the downside on SMCI. For now, I don't have an exact level. I don't want to say 480, 475 just because it's a low. I want to find the right opportunity, show me divergence against the market. Obviously, it doesn't really move with the market, but I want to see clear weakness in that stock. So I'll be waiting for an opportunity. Like I said, I live stream every single day on YouTube. So what I'm telling you now might not be what it is tomorrow. So you have to keep that in mind. Make sure you come to the live stream. You'll see it live in action. And yeah. The next thing I have is AMD. We have a channel. Like I said, this is only 2 points here, 2 points from the top. Basically, I don't really know what the hell was going on over here. But regardless, let's say you started from here, 2 points here. What I'm looking at here on the stock is we're consolidating, but if we get the same type, let's say the opportunities in the semiconductor where they have a really nice relief rally, a really nice recovery, they have really nice momentum, I'm going to be looking at AMD and see if we can break out this channel. But I'm not going to play on the break of the channel. I want to see a break first, maybe retest, and then break out, or at least break out and hold, right? If we can do that, I'll be interested at that 139, 140 level for a breakout to the upside on AMD. Don't really play that stock unless there's a really nice opportunity there. So those are my main watches for now. Like I said, Monday could be a whole different main watch. But these are my side watches. Side watches on coin at the 200 level. If you put this on the 1 year, yeah, so this is the 1 year here. I'm looking at the 200 break. I mean, you do have some recovery in crypto. I don't know if it moved any more overnight. Let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, what's Bitcoin price at?
Bitcoin USD stock is down at the moment to 60,000.
It's at 60,000. I'm not sure what it was at on Friday. Not much of a change. So we'll see if that even comes into play. And then Shopify. We have the gap. So let me show you guys the gap for all my gap players here. From this 70 level, this has a gap up to 75. That's a very nice move for Shopify. Does that mean it's going to do that in one day? Absolutely not. Is it possible? Absolutely. But I am watching the 70 level. If we get the right momentum, this did close up 1% on Friday, which isn't bad. I will take the opportunity and try to catch that play as long as those contracts aren't too cheap. I haven't looked at them in a while. But those are my two side watches for the Sunday stock watch list. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Make sure you go to my main channel. I just uploaded a very good video to my channel that can help a lot of you. And yeah, good luck this week. Be smart, be patient, and take everything step by step and make some incremental changes for yourself. I'll see you guys. Peace.